folks, this is Michael, the National Bus. You can reach us at 1-800-475-1439 or visit us online at www.nationalbus.com. And today, I've got this 2017 International ICCE 71 passenger for you that just arrived. We haven't even had a chance to touch it yet. It's equipped with air brakes and the very rare factory front and rear AC for a school bus. A lot of people ask whether factory AC is worth looking for on buses like these. And if you're operating in hotter climates or moving passengers longer distances, it absolutely can make a world of difference, and your passengers will agree. Around the exterior, you've got full tint all the way around with the black wheels to match, LED lighting, and the white roof. And this is also a southern bus, which is what a lot of people specifically look for, and the underbelly reflects that with a good, clean appearance underneath. Overall, it would really only benefit from very minor exterior recon to make it fully stand tall. Moving inside, the rear passenger area looks really solid. I didn't see any major issues in the seating condition. The floor is in great shape, and you've got lights and speakers in the roof rails, along with full acoustic ceiling panels running the full length of the bus, which will help tremendously with overall interior noise levels. And as I mentioned, it has the rare front and rear AC built in, which is a major selling point. Up front, it's set up with a high-back air ride driver's seat. The armrest was removed at some point, but that's something that's easy for us to replace. And the seat itself is still in great condition otherwise. It also has tilt steering, cruise control, powered and heated outside mirrors, and of course, powered entry and exit doors. So overall, this is just a solid southern bus with factory AC already in place and only minor recon needed to get it fully dialed in. And as always, we can customize this bus directly to your needs, whether that's handling recon, more storage solutions, or anything from basic lettering all the way to full body wraps and graphics before you take delivery. So if this 2017 International ICCE is of interest to you, or if you have any other transportation needs from school buses to shuttles, activity buses, even motor coaches or ultra coach liner in new or pre-owned conditions, then please do feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-475-1439 or visit us online at www.nationalbus.com, where we'll be happy to hear from you. Till then, thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you again soon.